Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see I'm using macOS Sonoma on my AMD Ryzen PC. In my case, my processor is Ryzen 5600G with APU. That means integrated graphics card, and it's detected as 8 GB. So if you want to install macOS Sonoma on your computer, it may be Intel or AMD, this video gonna help you a lot. Because in this video, I'll tell you how to install macOS Sonoma on any PC dual boot with Windows 11 and Windows 10. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started. So first of all, open the browser and search for Opcore Simplify. Click the very first link. Now click on Code, download zip. Now it's downloaded. Scroll a little bit, and here you will find hardware sniffer. Click on here. Now click on latest. Now scroll a little bit. Click on hardware sniffer exe. Now when it's downloaded, close it. Now open the file manager. Go to download, and here you'll find hardware sniffer and Opcore Simplify. Double tap on hardware sniffer. Click on more info. Run anyway. Minimize this. Now here we have three options: T, toggle hardware report and view, short or full, and H for export hardware report, and A to dump ACPI table. Now let me make it full screen. Now tap H and hit enter. Now it's done. Now type A and hit enter. Now let's minimize this, go to download folder, and here you can see results, and in results there is a file report.json. Go back again, be on result. You can go to here and again type A and hit enter. Just wait a few seconds. Now you can see it's generated. Go to download folder again, and here you can see ACPI dump is there, and results folder includes ACPI and report.json. In results, everything's there. Okay, and go back and close it. Now extract this Opcore Simplify file. Right click on it, extract all, extract, and now it's done. Select the folder and drag and drop it to desktop. Now it's done. Now you can delete this to folder and file. Delete it. Now put it here. Just open this folder, Opcore Simplify, on the desktop. Now go back and download folder, and here you'll find ACPI dump. Okay, just copy. Just right click on it, select copy, and now go to script folder and just right click on here, paste it, and select replace file and destination. Now it's done. Go back again, right click on here and paste it, replace the file destination. Now it's done. Okay, now just double tap on Opcore Simplify tool. Now you can close this folder, keep this here like this, and now type 1, hit enter. Now type E to export and hit enter. Now wait a few seconds here. Now I can see every important things are added here. Here is the CPU details. My CPU is Ryzen 5600G, and they can support up to macOS Tahoe 26 and Radeon 2 graphics. They can support from macOS Catalina 10.15 to macOS Tahoe 26. Okay, now let's come to the audio and wireless USB adapter. That means my Wi-Fi and the Ethernet, and that means you can see everything supported up to macOS Tahoe 26. But in this video, we'll try installing macOS Sonoma. Okay, then hit enter, and now we'll select macOS versions. For example, if you want to install macOS Catalina 10.15, then you'll have to type 19, and in my case I want to install macOS Sonoma 14, so I'll have to type 23 and hit enter. Now what we're gonna do is customize SCPI patch, type 3 and hit enter. Now you can see those are the supported SCPIs. Now if you want to change anything, I recommend don't do. Simply type B and go back, hit enter. Now if you want to customize the text, type 4 and hit enter. Now you can see which are marked as green, that means it's selected, and which are marked as white. You can select those are supported to your PC, and those are in ash color, those are not supported. Don't try them out because those are not supported. Okay, and if you want to change anything, you can change, but here we ain't. We go back, type B and hit enter. Okay, now the last part is customize SMBIOS model, type 5 and hit enter. Now here the same case, if you want to customize your SMBIOS settings, you can do in the same way. You can use this iMac 19,1, 19,2, 20,1, 20,2, and then Mac Mini 8,1, then iMac Pro 1,1. In my case it's already selected, so I'll do nothing and type B, go back. Now here's the final part, type 6 and hit on enter. Now it will generate a EFI. Now you'll have to select one of them. By default it's selected as 11, type as a default. In my case it's 11, I'm typing 11 and hit enter. Now you'll have to type agree, then hit enter. Now you can see it's done and EFI folder is ready. Okay, now I can close everything. Now we don't need this file too. You can delete them, right click and delete. Okay, select the EFI and drag and drop it to download. Now it's done, close it. Now we're gonna move to the next step. Now again, open a browser, search for Olorilla and go to the site olorilla.com. Here you'll have to watch the ads. Click in here and wait for 5 seconds. Close it. Now select vanilla images. Yes, it's done. Scroll a little bit. And here you can see Tahoe Beta, Tahoe 26, and Sequoia, and finally here's Sonoma. Click here on media file link, and from there you'll have to download. Okay, after download you'll have to search repos. Now go to the first option, scroll a little bit, and here click on the latest. Now it's completed. Now you will have to download another 2 to 3 things, so let's find out the things. Now if you go to the download folder, you will see additional files, macOS double command and Minitool partition and Explorer++. The links will be given in the description too. You can download from there. Now you'll have to double tap my repos, click on yes. Now click here, select, go to downloads, and from here click on the drop down, select all files, and here you'll find Olorilla Sonoma. Select it, click on open. Now insert the pen drive to your PC, minimum 32 gigabytes. Now you can see the pen drive is automatically detected. Now click on start. Before starting, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in this process you'll lose everything on your pen drive. Click on start, click on OK, click on OK. Now it's started. You'll have to wait 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Now when it's ready, and click on close. Now you'll have to install mental partition. Double tap on it, click on yes, and install it. Installation's done, click on finish. Click on launch application. Now finally select the EFI drive, right click on it, select change later, and click on OK. click on apply, click on yes, click on OK. It's done. Close it. Now open Explorer++ folder, and now here's the application. Right click on here, run as administrator, click on yes. Now go to downloads, and now select the EFI folder and right click on it, select copy. Now go to this PC, and here you'll find EFI drive. Open it. Now right click on here and paste them. Now when it's done, close it, go back to this folder, and now close it. Now right click on the start menu, choose disk management. Now here you will have to create a drive, minimum 100 GB space. Right click on the bigger drive, select shrink volume, choose here your size. Now click on shrink. Now select this unallocated space, right click on it, new simple volume, click on next, click on next, click on next, put the name as Sonoma, click on next, click on finish. Now it's done. Close it. Now you gotta install your PC and exit the BIOS menu. To exit the BIOS menu, you can repeat this photo. Otherwise, you can search on Google. In the BIOS menu, you'll have to do the following changes. And after doing the changes, you'll have to press F10 on your keyboard, hit enter. Now this time, you'll have to access the boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can refer this photo. Otherwise, you can search on Google. Now from the boot menu, select USB, hit enter. Now here, select macOS Sonoma and hit enter. Wait a few seconds here. Now here, choose the language, click on this arrow. Here, choose disk utility, click on continue. Now, click on this drop down, select show devices. Now here, choose Sonoma. Now, click on erase. Click on this drop down, select APFS, click on erase. Now it's done. Click on done. Close it. Now select install macOS Sonoma and click on continue. Again click on continue. Click on agree. Again agree. Now select Sonoma drive. Click on continue. Now here you have to wait until the installation is completed. During the installation process, your PC may restart several times. During each restart, you will have to exit the boot menu, and from the boot menu, you will have to select the USB drive and boot from USB. Again, select USB and hit enter. Now this time select macOS installer and hit enter. Now this time you'll have to wait 10 to 15 minutes here. Again select the USB drive, hit enter. Here select Sonoma and hit enter. Again wait a few seconds here. Now here, you can select USB, hit enter. Again select Sonoma and hit enter. Now select your region. Again click on continue. Click on now. Select this option. My computer doesn't connect internet. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on now. Click on agree. Again agree. Now set up your account. Now after everything's set up, click on continue. Again, click on continue. Select the use. Click on continue. And check this box. Click on continue. Click on setup later. Click on continue. Choose one voice. Click on continue. Click on now. Click on continue. Select your theme and continue. Now click on quit. Now you have to double tap on this logo. Now it's opened. Now select the files folder and drag and drop it to desktop. Now it's done. Open the folder. Now here you'll see Open Core Configurator. Double tap on it. Close the folder. And now select this application. And now you'll find Tools. Click on Tools. Select Mount EFI. Now here, this is my SSD. Click on Mount Partition. Now put the password and click on OK. Now click on Open Partition. Now put it here. This is SSD partition. And now again, this is the USB partition. Click on Mount Partition. And now click on Open Partition. Keep it here. Now you can close it. Minimize this. Okay. Select this EFI here. Now open this EFI folder. Also open the EFI folder here. And now select these two. Right click on them. Select copy. And now come to here. Right click on here. Paste them. Click on replace. Now close them. Close them. Now just restart your PC to Windows. Now open File Explorer. Go to Download. And here you'll find macOS bootable command. Open it. And here, just copy the command. The command will also be given in the description too. Close it. Close it. Click on Start. Search for CMD. Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Right click on here and paste it. Hit Enter. Now it's done. Now just restart and you can see the bootable screen is there. See, the dual boot is here. Select macOS Sonoma and hit Enter. And it will boot up. Put a password. Hit Enter. Now done.